Hello lovelies, it's your girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button below and join the family. I'm just going to jump right in and show you guys how I made this hairstyle and also how I created the individual crochet braid illusion. The first thing I usually do is to make sure my hair is stretched, just because I have type 4 hair and it's difficult to work with it if it's not stretched. I usually put my hair in twist a day or 2 days before I plan to make my hair. This is how I stretch out my hair without using heat on it. If you're a natural hair sister, you understand my audio. I sectioned out the front part of my hair just because we are going to be creating that individual crochet illusion at the front. You guys know it takes a whole lot of time to braid your hair individually, and I don't have that much time on my hand, and I believe most of you don't either. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create that illusion, how to make the front part of your hair to look like individual crochet. The hair I used in this video was sent to me by Janet's Collection. They sent me 6 packs of their 3x passion twist in 18 inches, and that is a whole lot of hair. Like guys, I'm going to be showing the hair in detail later on in this video, so keep watching. I used the shine and jam to part my hair, and I also used the hair food on my hair. I didn't use any leave-in conditioner because I don't want my hair to shrink back. You just want to go ahead and start parting your hair, and please try your best to make a straight line while doing that. So you want to part out a little section of your hair like you're making a mini ponytail or a box braid, and you want to go ahead and braid it. I made 2 sections of hair on the outer part of my hair just because the hair there is small, but I made like 3 and 4 sections towards the middle of my hair. While braiding the second row, you're going to be joining this hair you braided on the first row to the second one. Just keep watching what I'm doing. You're going to see how I did it. So you just want to take that braided hair on the first row and join it to one piece of the hair you're braiding with, and just continue braiding. This is what is going to give you that individual crochet look. This is very easy to do. So I'm just going to stop talking here and try my best to show you guys every detail you need to get this right. So I'm done with trying to make the individual crochet illusion, and this is what it looks like. And as you guys can see, it already has the individual crochet braid pattern. So now we're just going to follow the lines we made at the front to do the regular cornrow at the back. And guys, I am not perfect with cornrows at all. And as you guys can see, my line was kind of crooked. I don't have eyes behind me, so I just did my best. And finally, I am done with the cornrow, and this is what everything looks like. It's not perfect, but it's the best I could do. So the hair I am using is the Tress 3X Passion Twist in 18 inches. It has like 3 bundles in each pack, as you guys can see. So instead of buying 3 packs of hair, you have 3 bundles in 1 pack. And I actually used just 2.5 packs. This hair was sent to me from Janet's collection, just like I said in the beginning of the video. And it was so nice of them to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this hair and show you guys how many pieces it has in each pack. So I counted 12 pieces of hair from each one, which means each pack has 36 pieces of hair. So I'm going to leave a link to their website in my description box. I'm also going to check out for links where you can get this hair and leave them in my description box. I went ahead to start crocheting the hair into the cornrows, and this is the regular crochet method. I didn't do anything special at all. Just get your regular crochet pin, put it through your cornrows, put the crochet hair into it, pull it out and loop it. And I looped it only once. Also guys, I used the 1 finger spacing on the 2 sides of my hair, but towards the middle I used the 2 finger spacing, just because I don't want to add too much hair at the back of my hair. I would advise you really space out your hair at the back, and then when you are done, if you feel like you need to add more, then you can go back and add more. But you don't want to add all the hair you have at the back of your hair and then you don't have crochet hair left to add at the front. So yeah, 1 finger spacing on the 2 sides and 2 finger spacing all through the middle. So I just wanted to show you guys how to crochet the front part. So you want to grab your crochet pin and put it through the base of the box or the base of the braid you did, and not in between. This is the only way it's going to have that individual crochet braid look. Grab your pin, put it at the base of each box. And you can always make your boxes smaller, or you can always make the braids smaller. I made mine this medium size just because I'm going to end up sitting at home with it, so I don't want to waste so much time making my hair. So yeah, just put the crochet pin on the base of each box and go ahead and put the hair and loop it. And I'm finally done with the hair. If you're still here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button right now and join the family. Like this video, comment, share with your friends, support your girl, guys. I'm going to be bringing more hair videos to you guys. So subscribe, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.